I was gonna say we can go ahead and sip tea and talk about this, but this is coffee, so it didn't really work as well. So good. Hey y'all, it's me, Mika, aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Girl, this is a much needed curvy girl denim haul. I think I'm gonna be doing that lately, you know, as we transition from summer to fall, autumn, I don't know, whatever you like to call it. I feel like they are a staple in the fall. So I'm gonna be trying out some jeans from Boohoo. So I've already tried them and I'll insert the footage, but let's go ahead and talk about each pair, what I liked, what I didn't, all that good stuff. Give you some tea so you know what to get when you're shopping for your jeans. I got you. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. I'll wait. Also, if you like trying hauls, go ahead and hit that like button. Let me know that you like the stuff that I'm doing, so that way I can do more of it. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first pair of jeans I'm going to talk about are the Plus Freya Rip Knee Stretch Skinnies. These are definitely skinnies. They were so tight around my calf ankles to get off, so that's why they're inside out still. But yes, I love these jeans. I am 5'4", if that gives you any type of perspective to how long they are, but they came rolled up and I just went with it. And I never really thought before that I should just roll jeans up when they're really long on me. That's one thing I like about shopping at Topshop, is you can choose the length and the waist for your jeans, so it's really helpful. But they didn't have the option on here, so I kind of just went with my actual size. All of these are size 16. Yeah, all these jeans are size 16. I'll put all my measurements and stuff below just so that way you guys can have an idea of how to shop for these denim jeans on Boohoo. So anyways, so yeah, I got them from Boohoo. And the waist fit good. I think I like the back pockets. They're really cute. They accentuate your booty. They make it look nice. Yeah, and then I like the little rips in the front. Are we still into the rips in the front, or are we just going plain jeans? What's the style? Y'all, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, it has good rips. The rips are actually stretchy. You know, that's a plus. Sometimes when you get, I think I had a pair of jeans and there was no stretch in the rips and it just looked like a can of busted beans. And it just like a can of busted biscuits. None of those vibes with these. None whatsoever. They're just fairly nice. I could like the color. It's definitely fall-ish. Fall-ish. Good transition, not too dark. I didn't get any dark denim, which is weird. I don't know. Yeah, why did I not get no dark denim? Anyways, that's these. Next, we have the Plus Robin Rip and Repair jeans. I honestly thought they was the same pair as the last one. I thought I ordered two. But there are slight differences as how this is ripped and repaired. Gotta see what they did there. Yeah, it's got a little bit more rips than the other one. Again, it's got the same kind of back pocket feel, but the stitching is a different color compared to the first ones that I just showed you. And then also the little, what are these things called, like knobs on them? I don't know what they're called, but they're silver instead of bronze like the other pair. These are the ones that these were a bit baggy on the bottom. I didn't like that fit. Kind of felt like you couldn't really roll them up because it's not tapered, if that's the word. It's kind of just all one size, like straight length all the way down. I'm guessing you would call these boot cut, but I don't wear boots, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, I didn't like how they fit on the bottom. I did like the rips on the front, but the bottom is a no-go for me. So I've been wanting mom jeans for the longest. Can a curvy girl get some cute mom jeans? I don't think so. I don't think it's possible. So anyways, I got these. What are they called? Plus Riley high-waisted light wash mom jean, and they are a hot, filthy, stinking mess. Just no. First of all, there's no stretch in these jeans, so that's all right because they are my size and they fit. But since there's no stretch, the back sticks out, doesn't come in. It just felt really tight and not cute. Maybe I should size, no, because that wouldn't make sense. You can't even size up because then the waist would be even bigger than it already is. They just weren't comfortable. Yeah, these was not the one. Not the one. Next, we have the Plus Hefty Ripped Skinny Jeans. I love black jeans. You can't go wrong with a black jean. It does have rips, but they're not really open, if that makes sense. So I just thought, well, I guess they are open a little bit. I just felt like they weren't all the way open like a normal rip would be, but they fit cute. And then they have this kind of curve your booty detail in the back. I don't know how to explain it, but the way that the seams are, let's see if I can show you. It's not a normal seam, if you can see that. It's just, I think it's just to give you that illusion of a curvy booty. I didn't really need the illusion, but to each his own, might help somebody else out that needs it. All for it. Yeah, these are cute. Like the length, like how they fit. They're stretchy, which is good. Yeah, that's it. So I was gonna order some Good American jeans the other day, and then I saw that they were like 200 or something. Not here. Not now. 200 per pair of jeans. Girl. Anyways, I saw that they had some jeans and they had this little detail, kind of like a cut in the front, and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. I want some jeans like that. So they had some on Boohoo. Now I'm not a big fan of one, this pair of jeans. Till the color scheme going on here, I just think like this is a really bright orange or yellow stitch. I'm just not a fan of it. And I got my normal size and they don't fit. They're so baggy, they're big in the front and the back. Nah, they wasn't really cutting it. Not today. You need to goodie. And then lastly, I've never owned a pair of dungarees, so I had to get some. When I seen them on the website, I got this black pair of dungarees and they fit so good. Oh, I love how they fit. I was a little confused at first on the straps, but then I got it down pat. I got it working. Yeah, it's cute. It fits really good. I like the button details on the side because I thought I was gonna struggle getting in there. And honestly, it was a little bit of a, you know, like when you gotta do that. When you gotta step into your jeans, I had to do that a little bit with these. They are super stretchy, which is good. Like a little bit of stretch in my jeans means that I can get some good wear out of them. Yeah, it has all the black detailing, which I like. A front pocket, which is good. All that good stuff. I really liked how these fit. Again, I don't know the full length because it came rolled up, so I just rock with it how it came. But yeah, so that's it for my denim haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really only like maybe 3 pairs of the jeans. Let me know what other brands you want me to try. Their denim is popping, or if it's not, I'll let you know, give you the honest truth on it. Again, everything will be linked below in the description box for y'all. I got you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.